Welcome to the best episode. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know this is the best episode. Pull up. If you're new to the channel, it's Chris Network. You press the notification bell and you subscribe. Hello.
Hey, hello. What up?
Yeah. I'm with my people today.
Yeah, and he's rocking with me today and the guy. But my name is Riley, and I'll be here to present with everybody.
Yeah. Hey, my main man.
You know what time it is. It's your boy Motif, aka Mufasa, the originator, and we here on the pull up. Chris is here.
I'm looking to hire you as my body guy.
As your body
because
guy.
wherever
I've been working,
just
bro.
here.
Yeah, I've been getting working. Yeah, I can believe, you know. Yeah, if you want a bodyguard, I'm here. I've been working, been putting on the muscle, you know. I'm loving the space, bro. You know?
Guys, what are we talking about? What has been happening?
Yeah, bro, a lot, A lot has been happening, guys. I think there's a lot of news that's going on. But first things first, it's August.
Yeah.
The wind is back. They say this is the dust.
Yeah. With dusty as
hell. So, do you guys own a pair of shades? Because it's Katsama shades.
Yeah,
I have a couple of them.
Yeah.
Our hair's about to get dusty.
Yes. I'm so sure.
No?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, no. But besides that, people are dying. Artists are dying.
It's bad.
It's so sad, right? I really hate the feeling that I get from just reading those comments, those posts on Facebook. It's really bad, honestly.
Yeah.
But it also reminds me, matter of fact, it reminds me, to live fast.
Yeah.
But remember, you got life. You got a life, okay? Take care of that life. So that's what we gotta be mindful of.
You know? Yeah. Live your life sharp, live fast and enjoy it, but with melu, fuck it, you know?
Exactly.
Like life wants you to breathe. Like you can't just think that you can live your whole life on the fast lane and every day you die and then boom. Think that you can die by
Let's hear
yeah, take a breathe, then
So, but specifically, like I think Zoto Wabantu.
What up with her? She was got something.
Before Safar, I need to put it out there. Before Safar, I love Zoda. Zoda, I love you.
I know.
I love you, Zoda.
I know you love everyone.
Yeah, we can continue. Yeah, what did you want to say?
I know you love everyone.
Yeah, bro. You know, like Zoda does a lot, right?
Yeah.
Zoda is wild.
Yeah.
I nearly said bad language, but Zoto's wild, bro. But one thing, Zoto does what Zoto wants.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean people never do what they want, bro.
Really?
We never do what we want.
Are you
because
serious?
70% of the time, it's with people dictating how we should live our lives, bro. No one tells Zoto what to do. If she wants to get on the table, she gets on the table. She don't ask questions.
Which is
cool. You to shoot the podcast here, Komara, cause you do that. Now you won't shoot. Hi, Baba.
No, but bro, I'm cool with that. I love the side of her. Yeah. You know, that side. But it's better when it's gonna fuck up other people's lives. Destroying other people's image. Because if you can't just you get a dig, then you're gonna grab the mic and tell the whole world.
That's what she did, right? She
gonna tell the whole world has been fucked by one man. You don't do that.
But that's Zodwa. Why are we surprised? That's Zodwa. It's like Cyril walking up on TV and saying, "My fellow South Africans." You shouldn't be shocked. That's what he says. So that's like Zodwa, bruh. Why are you shocked?
You know, I have no idea about her life, Nick.
Yeah.
All I know is that she's that type of girl who's more like a stripper.
Yes.
That's what I know. I mean, like from what I've seen on magazine, what I've seen on social media. But that who she's like, okay, do you mean who like she allows whoever she wants to just give her the D?
Yeah. It seems like if she, from what I see, Vele, if she feels good, okay, I like this dude, then I want this guy to give me a little some. She takes it. But she then goes.
That guy is so motivated. Even knows it.
Yeah.
That guy is not that guy. You know, he's not that guy who can go into the club and say, "Hey, I want him." You know. It's just a guy. He's like me. He's struggling.
But
I'm sure women should get being a girlfriend.
Yeah, but dude, things change. And we ask, like, you can't even compare it with Matric, bro. Because this guy, like, we just young kids as us next. Now, you've seen a lot of transformations. We can't in a moment and be like, yeah.
Exactly.
The uniform every day.
Yeah.
Hey, teachers bad vandaag. Savannah's on top of the head with 2 others on the cell phone. Things happen, bro.
Yeah, but all I'm saying is that this guy is dating Zihle, right? That's
DJ Zihle.
Yeah, he's dating DJ Zihle.
Yeah.
and what is interesting is that he's still with DJ Zihle.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if Zodo come like that and say, hey, like yesterday I was fucking your boyfriend.
Yeah, but that guy released a video about the whole sexual encounter.
And
he says in the video.
Porn.
Yeah.
So he says in the video.
Yeah.
He's not denying that it happened, right?
Good.
But he's also saying at the
video?
time. He's saying at the time he was better singing. That's what he's saying.
So which this guy being able to sing it. Zota said I was fucking that guy in 3 weeks.
Yeah, but that's what the guy said. He's like, no, yeah, it happened. I mean, at the time I was singing, banging my children, baby mama, everything. It was just me. So
baby mama get DJ Zihle.
No, there's another baby mama like that.
This guy has problems.
I think they
this guy
mentioned
has problems.
So they mentioned it on like Twitter, and you know Black Twitter, right? Once the news broke out,
what about DJ Zihle then?
How? DJ Zihle was showing next.
Hey, DJ Zihle. So
she has to pray. Me, I pray. She has to pray.
Yeah.
I do.
When you yes.
Because I don't ask for just the boyfriend. I ask for my soulmate.
Okay.
Hey guys, hey girls out there, please pray.
Exactly.
Yes, it's really straight from Royal.
Exactly.
But I like the fact that Royal just mentioned that though. As young folks, Nancy, in this show, in this spectrum, do young people pray enough though? Chris.
I pray when I don't have money though.
What?
Also, your prayers are situational.
Yeah. If I don't have money, me and God, we just get along. But make it 1,000, I'm drunk.
That's the funny thing, right? Sure. When I broke,
God, you guide 1,000.
good.
Samanyama Amaru like your life.
Yeah, but personally,
which is wrong.
Yeah, because personally, I also feel like we don't pray enough.
Yeah, we don't.
I'm happy that Rolik mentions it. But now it sounds like you only pray if you want something.
Well,
do you pray?
Honestly, I pray each and every day. Before I got here, I prayed. Before we started, I prayed. I'm a prayer warrior.
Okay.
I pray.
Okay.
I don't remember God when things are now going south.
Yeah.
I remember God in everything. I'm like, thank you, Father. Whenever there's something happening, even now when I got him, the baby, dude, I prayed. I prayed. I feel like I pray way more than enough because I have to, and it saves me.
That's great.
Yes,
okay, guys, let's move along. Sean Fickerson.
Yeah, bro. R.I.P. to the homie.
R.I.P.
Yeah, R.I.P. to the homie. I personally won't dabble on that whole whatever. How he died, if he was sick. I'm just gonna touch on his work. We should all be inspired. I think he worked tirelessly. He some of the productions that people, I remember there was a time when people would be like, hey, this show was badly shot, or this was not how it's supposed to go, and he still directed.
Look at him. Look at him. He has a kingdom. I'll just put it like that. He has a kingdom.
Even in Rockville though.
Sure. You see what him and his wife did? It's a revolutionary for this country.
Yeah, definitely.
For this country, Ayiko, it's been a while. I'm Kumbuli production house. Espana Jamalea. Yeah, and the quality of the work. Dala Umsebens was South Africa. Oh, they call it mundane, like fine. Everything was just blue and purple, and then they came and they went. There's pink, there's red, there's other colors. Cool. So shout us to his work. Shout us to his work.
Man, his legacy will always live on.
Yeah, and it's inspiring us. Not to put a lot. In front of the cameras.
Another thing before we close the show, I just want to ask you guys. Before, when you wake up in the morning, do you start with your breakfast or you brush your teeth?
Who has to? You want to ask? Okay, let's take that first.
Honestly, I don't brush my teeth when I wake up. I go eat first because I do this because I want to feed the baby. You see?
Okay.
You see, like when I eat first, I make sure from afterwards I go feed the baby because the baby's gonna make noise. Then once I bath, that's why I also brush my teeth.
You?
How do I start my day?
Yeah.
See, I'm a rapper.
Yeah. Justify.
So the first day, my day starts with a big old Snoop Dogg smoke.
Okay.
Yeah, I just had to call it a Snoop Dogg smoke because kids will be watching. But that's how I start my day, with a little trio one, 1, 2 trees, cup of coffee, black, no sugar, and then maybe social media. Yeah, that's how I start my day. Then I probably take a bath later.
Then you brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth if I have to go somewhere.
Or when you are
probably has meaning me, I'm a guy's guy. Like I could wake up that day and be like, bath time. Brush your teeth. It's out of the situation. I'm not going anywhere anyway. I call them a horse. Much as my and try horse up like super strong.
No, we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like.
Oh, food that's exactly how you
No, one of my friends said like,
yeah.
So when I'm like, hey dog, when you wake up you brush your teeth.
Yeah.
Then you eat. Imagine you brush your teeth, then you go to your fridge where you eat a apple.
Yeah.
The taste.
Yeah, it's the same as you geza. Go to the gym. Now we are geza card base your gym. So it's the same as that. Makes no sense. Yeah.
So I was like, I'm in a king and it tastes good after.
My younger brother once said that when you wake up and you brush your teeth, it's actually a way of showing how you're intelligent.
What?
Yeah.
I'm dumb as fuck. It's been a great show. I go by the name Christmas. This the name of the show is Pull Up.
Yes.
I'm with my people. Pull Up.
Yes. We had Royal League at the show.
Pull Up.
Our boy Christmas. It's your boy Motif, aka Mufasa, the originator. It's the Pull Up Baby episode. Yes, Baba.
Pull up next time.
Yeah. Let them know where to find us, bro. Let them know where to find us.
Chris Network on YouTube. You subscribe. You press the notification bell. Ow.
Let them know.
Yo.
Yes.
Yeah. Mfano mzulu.
Away.
Yeah. Uzongenza. I can't.